Join me on an early winter photography trip and see why sometimes the weather decides, nah, you're just having a walk in the park today.
So, we are on the Icefields Parkway southbound. I don't know what we're going to find, how much snow there is.
Found some fresh pow and thought this will be a classic shot. I set up my tripod and camera in the stream because, why not? And in the few seconds it took me to move into frame, my shot quickly became nothing. So I just kept walking up. The weather kept blocking out the scenery, but I thought, I've gotta have a shot.
I mean, are we gonna come all the way here and not do the red dress? Apparently not, because this is what we're working with for weather. Careful. As you can perhaps tell, we are headed back down into the tree line. Time to send her down. Vamos. Yeah, I'm gonna call this a success, even though I didn't stand on the glacier today, didn't go as far as I wanted to. Not enough snow to ski on. Not enough snow to safely go any further. Just enough snow to cover all the rocks. Not enough snow to prevent you from falling into them. So we are going down now.
However, I get easily distracted.
Oh, beautiful.
Reminds me of a Christmas tree.
You're beautiful! Kind of want to change my lens. That seems like a little too much work. Especially because the weather has been this. So we could have another whiteout in 10 seconds.
I'm glad you could tag along. Thanks for the company.